Alright, morning everyone. It's the last day, day 4 of our Big Desert Mallee Loop trip. We are on the top of Big Dune, camped up here. I don't know if you can see, there's there we go. Well, it's a nice long ridgeback track down there. If you don't want to go back down that way, which is that massive dune. So I'm not sure if the bikes or the cars are going to do any more attempts on Big Dune. The sort of mood in the camp is we're all tired and want to get home. You're always a bit buggered from all the sand. So we might have a quick breakfast, nip back. Alex hurt his shoulder yesterday when he came off on the track here into Big Dune. He's hurt his shoulder quite bad. And I think Andy's a bit fatigued, so we will decide later if we do Milmed or not, but I think most likely it looks like we'll just go around it, get back to the cars at Lake Albuquerque and start the 5-hour journey home back to Melbourne. Andy's bike is leaking the coolant, so he's got 4 litres, he said, 4 litres of water in his backpack ready. I think it's just maybe dropping from the top, maybe. Put some galvanizing tape here. And we're going to skip Milmed. We're going to try go down a farm track to get back.
But it's Top Gear rules, all right. You're gonna leave me to fend for myself in the sand.
Yeah, Andy told us when we were sitting in a cafe in Torquay, Top Gear rules.
That is not what I said.
Was that what he said?
I think so.
I think that's what Andy said. I have a really good recollection of that. You're right. Okay, so here's Milmed rock track. This is the one we're not doing. Alex has already gone ahead, but we thought Andy and I would just give it a little bit of a crack. I mean, I've already done this. Did this track on my WR250R, and so maybe I'll link that video of actual Milmed rock so you can see that, because we're not actually doing this one of these bikes, but we thought we'd just have a little crack of it, because it is just such a nice sandy track. It's got a lot of straights, a few whoops, but yeah, it's very fun, this track. But also quite long at about 70 kilometers, I think, or 60. The sign says 28, but it definitely isn't 28.
Oh, we better go catch him.
Yeah,
How good is that?
What was that, like 5 minutes?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I'm already there. I can smell that the
engine's heating up.
The coolant is starting to cook on the exhaust again. So
yeah,
that's not possible today, but definitely one.
Come back.
Time.
Yeah, that's right.
Fucking love it.
Oh, you see what I mean? It's pretty flat. It's not like heaps of cutouts. Like you can go left, right, and it's just yeah.
I reckon if we came here, we were fresh, we were ready.
Yeah.
I mean, it wouldn't take long to get into that groove and
just smash the thing.
The day easy.
Yeah.
But it is the kind of thing that you need to do. To do it on the end of a big trip like this, you'd have to be like super fit.
Mate, we did that 2 days.
Yeah,
with shit on a WR250R.
Wow, that's so well. I can confidently tell you I can't do that.
Well, to my delight, we have one more track before we head on, I guess, like just a normal road back to Albuquerque. So this is a bit of a link track, I think, and this takes us to fence track or old fence track or something like that. We're hoping that one will take us across and that we won't have to take the tarmac and go further south to get back. So this is a nice little fun track and looks like Alex is enjoying it. Oh, Andy going a bit hot. So now Andy's front forks apparently, or at least the right hand side, which I think is the compression or rebound one, that's completely stopped leaking. So I was saying to him that either means somehow it's fixed itself or he's lost all the fluid. So let's see which one it is. So this side road, fence line road, awesome track. You know, really thin layer of sand, not too thick. It's got these harder sections like I'm on now, and obviously because of the rain there's a few wet sections, but a really good find actually. I thought it was either going to be closed or, you know, really just a dirt road, but it's ended up being a really fun track. If you guys are on Big Desert, come give it a go. I'd say this is actually a great track if you want to start out riding sand. This would be a great track to do that on. Maybe when it's a little drier though. Why do I have a feeling at some point I'm just going to drop into a bog hole? Oh gosh, I feel like that's about to happen now. And there's a barbed wire fence on the one side. Oh, Luke, not good. Oh, safety. I didn't fall into the water. I didn't get axed by the barbed wire fence. Not a bad stop for a rest spot. Hey Andy.
Good.
Not bad. Not bad for a protein bar. No. and an iced chocolate. 690's loving it. Hasn't missed a beat. What a good bike. Oh shit. Well, seems like we're out of the sand. Alex must probably be super fucking excited to be on a main road. Nice. Well, again, that was an awesome track. I'd do it again for sure. Alright, well, we are maybe 5 kilometers from the campsite, so we came and I promised Alex we'd be back to take a photo next to this silo art here. A woman holding a yabby. She looks pregnant a bit, and a little boy on what looks like a Husqvarna. We're saying it's a Husqvarna, and he's got one of those Nerf guns stuck to his helmet. Anyway, it's Australian art. So I'm gonna leave that there, the trip there. My Odo officially says we've done 752.3 kilometers. So yeah, a fair decent trip, especially when it's out in the desert and the sands. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the trip in general, just comment below and I'll definitely get back to you. But get out here, come and do the Mallee Loop. An awesome trip. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. No, I haven't done one in a while, but now that it's summer, we'll be out a lot having a fang. Andy keeps getting swooped. He got you again.